Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add the Buy Now button in WooCommerce in 2024. So the Buy Now button simplifies basically the shopping process, allowing customers to bypass like the cart and head straight to checkout. This can of course boost your conversions and provide like a smoother shopping experience. So I'll show you how to easily add this button, so make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you do it, just go to this URL section as example in here and type wordpress.com. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken in here. Okay, so if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken in here. So you'll find at the top right corner a login option to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started instead, or Get Started in here. Of course, if you click on Login or like create an account, you'll find that you can use a Google, Apple, GitHub account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you find yourself in here. For me, I'll open my localhost as well for that. And you'll basically have to go to your site. So you can start or go and add, of course, the Buy Now button. Simple as that. Of course, if you don't have like the WooCommerce here in the list panel already, you'll have to go and install it or add the plugin of it if you don't have it yet. You can simply go to this left panel. You'll find like plugins in here. Just go and hover plugin and click on add new to add it. Then you'll be taken to this page. Here, go and here, type WooCommerce and hit the enter button example. You will find yourself here with this WooCommerce. All you need to do, you'll find, of course, install now button instead of activator here. Right here, go and click on it. And once it's installed, you'll have to click on activate. Of course, make sure you meet the requirements to download it, like the minimum PHP version and MySQL or SQL, or I don't know. Some people would like to read it like as a one word, not MySQL. And maybe it's even the right way. Anyway, so once it's installed, of course, you'll have to click on activate. For me, it's incompatible with my version of WordPress. So if I click on activate, I'll not be able to use it. For you, if you click on activate, you'll find this left panel here of WordPress, and you'll be able to start using it right now. And now, basically, once you have it, you can just go to your pages or your store. It's up to you. And to simply or to easily add your buy button, you can, of course, use a plugin for that. One of the most commonly used plugins for this feature is WooCommerce Direct Checkout or Buy Now button for WooCommerce. You can simply go again to plugins. So you can go to this list panel, plugins, add new, and go again to search plugins right here. And simply just type WooCommerce Direct Checkouts. So direct checkouts, yeah, like that. And as you can see, you'll find this one, direct checkout for WooCommerce. So formerly WooCommerce Direct Checkout. This plugin simplified the entire WooCommerce checkout process and to improve your sales. So you can simply go and click on install now to install it. In the meanwhile, you can click on it, for example, read the description of it. You can even see like the demo, the premium of it. You can see the change log, what they changed recently. You can see the screenshots as example. So you will be able to add a button like this, like a checkout right away. Of course, you can change the text from checkout to buy now. So it's up to you, right? And yeah, so the demo as example, it's going to be like that. So example, here you'll find like purchase, and plus. So this plus will be for, as example, purchase now or buy now. You can change the text, as I said before, however you want. And yeah, as you can see, very simple. And yeah, you should be good to go. So either you have to use this plugin as an example. So of course, this screenshot is just going to show you how to do it. Of course, they even show you how to add it. So you'll have to go to WooCommerce settings, and then you'll find this express button, of course. And in here as example, so let me just go to the other images. And here as example, you'll have to choose replace to add to cart 6 in as example. You can change it with whatever you want. And other than that, as example, here where you can simply just go and add whatever you want. So you replace add to cart text content example with purchase, or you can add buy now instead. Add default attributes and variance products if you want to add it for that as well. And here's example, Add to cart checkouts field, example, remove thumbnail, price, quantity. This like some things if you wanna like add to cart or cart to checkouts fields and remove checkout fields, example. So things that you wanna add and remove if you want on the checkout experience. And yeah, so once it's installed, you can click on activate. For me, I'll not be able to activate this because I don't have WordPress activated, or sorry, like WooCommerce activated. So I'll not be able to activate it. So other than this one, I guess the other one that I told you about, it was like buy now button for WooCommerce. So I'll just go and delete this direct checkout, and here simply just add buy now button for WooCommerce. So just go and see. So no, this is for PayPal. So yeah, this one, I guess this one, right? Yeah, it's this one. So quick buy now button, as you can see, for WooCommerce. Again, you'll have to click on install now as example. Click on it. You'll be able to also to see description, key features, installation, how to install. It's basically how to automatically and manually install it, how to install using FTP, and change log what they changed on recent updates. And here, even the reviews of some people as example about it. And basically, WooCommerce buy now button makes your customers checkout process easier and faster. So what we want, it's up to you to choose whatever plugin you want to use, either this one or the other one. Once you add it, of course, just go and configure the plugin settings and activate it. Of course, after activating your plugins, you can just go to WooCommerce plugin and go to settings, and you can navigate, of course, to the direct checkout tab and basically start adding the buy now button to your products. Of course, you can also customize the button if you want to use some custom CSS code and their appearance, of course, and customize, of course, additional CSS. You'll find basically that's in here. So in here examples, so appearance, customize, additional CSS, etc. This is of course if you already have like a WooCommerce site. So as an example, additional CSS for me, I'll now be able to add this. I'll need to upgrade my plan, etc. Just go there, an example, and you can simply use a code for you to customize the button. How to use or which code do you want to use? Of course, if you have no experience in CSS, you can use like some AI tool that will help you out. An example for that. As ChatGPT, which will help you a lot. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.